Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Do you still remember me everyone? I am Madam Q again. I hope all of you are in the pink of health. I am fine, Alhamdulillah. Okay, without further delay, let us continue with our lesson for today. We are still in the first unit, which is Unit 1, Where are you from? The subtopic is Let's Play and Project. For your reference, please open your student's book, page 10 and 11. Our topic today will be based on these pages. Okay, everyone. This is our learning objectives for today. Okay, before we begin, let's learn these structures first. Okay, the structures are also shown in page 10. Okay, what are you doing? Kalau kita guna you, kita mesti letak are. What is he doing? Kalau kita guna he, kita mesti letak is. Tak boleh guna are. What is he doing? She, sama juga. Kita mesti letakkan is. What is she doing? Meanwhile, kalau kita guna they, mereka, what are they doing? Okay, let us look at the response on the right. Kalau nak jawab soalan di sebelah, I am. I'm reading. Saya sedang membaca. He's reading. She's reading. We are reading. They are reading. You must remember this. I'm, he's, she's, we're, they're. Okay, kenapa kita guna? Kenapa kita guna? Kejap am, kejap is, kejap are. Okay? Okay, secara ringkasnya saya terangkan sikit. Okay, yang penting awak kena hafal. I, seorang. I am. Am ni special untuk I. Tak boleh I is, I are. Tak boleh. Okay? Alright. His. He ni seorang. Kalau seorang, kita guna is. He is. Kita pendekkan jadi his. Sama juga she. She ni dia. Dia seorang. She is. Kita pendekkan jadi she is. Their. Okay. They ni maksudnya, ingat tak? They maksudnya mereka. Mereka tu lebih daripada seorang kan? Okay. Bila lebih daripada seorang, kita kena guna are. They are. Kita pendekkan jadi their. We're, their. We're kami. Okay? I'm reading, he's reading, she's reading, we're reading, they're reading. Kena hafal. Okay? Questions and answers. Macam tadilah. What are you doing? Bila you ditanya apa yang awak buat, so awak kena jawablah. I am reading. I wajib kena dengan am. Okay, for singular. For present tense. Okay. What is he doing? He is reading. Dia seorang kan? He is. He's reading. What is she doing? She, dia, perempuan seorang. She's reading. What are you doing? Dia nak tanya pasal korang buat apa ni? Bukannya awak Dekat sini dia membawa maksud ramai. Awak buat apa ni? Korang buat apa ni? Okay. Kamu semua buat apa? We, kami. Kami lebih daripada seorang. We are. Kita pendekkan jadi we're. We're reading. What are they doing? They ni maksudnya mereka. They are. Okay, nampak kat sini are kan? Okay, they are. Kita pendekkan jadi they are reading. Okay. Next. There is an activity. Okay. The pictures are also shown in page 10. Okay. Okay, let's play to match the number with the picture. Match the activities with the picture. Okay. Swimming, ice skating, doing karate, playing badminton, exercising, playing football, playing computer games, riding bike, playing chess. Now, which one is which? Okay, alright. Now, can you number the picture? Okay, I give you 20 seconds. Time's up. Okay, time's up. Okay, now let us check the answer. Number 1. What activity is that? It is ice skating. Do you answer it correctly? Good job. Number 2 is swimming. Number 3 is doing karate. Number 4, playing computer games. Number 5 is playing badminton. Good job. Number 6 is good job exercising. Okay, what about number 7? Yeah, number 7 is riding a bike. What about number 8? Number 8 is playing chess. And the last one is good job playing football. Well done. Okay, now I want all of you to listen to this audio.
Module 1. Let's play. 1. Listen and read. Then play. Where's he from? He's from Korea. What is he doing? He's doing karate.
Okay, do you still remember this activity? This picture. Okay, look at the flag under the, below the picture. Okay, the flag is Korean flag. Where is he from? Okay, the other person answers, he's from Korea. What is he doing? He's doing karate. Okay, based on the exercise book, can you do the exercise with me? Can you answer my question? Okay, alright, now, where is, dia ni lelaki ke perempuan? He is a boy. Where is he from? So the answer this on this side should be, he's from Korea. Okay, what is he doing? He's swimming. Well done. Okay, this one is from the example. Okay, what about this? Where is he from? Okay, he's from, oh no, this is wrong. He's from the UK. Okay, what is he doing? He's playing computer games. Well done. Okay, where is, yang ni? He or she? She's a girl, right? Okay, where is she from? She's from, I did a mistake here again. Okay, maybe I forgot to correct this. I'm sorry. She's from Malaysia. Okay, what is she doing? She's playing badminton. Well done. Okay, now, where is, she's a girl. Okay, so where is she from? She's from, I'm sorry about this. She's from the UK. Good job. Okay, what is she doing? Good job. She's exercising. Okay, number 7. Where is he from? Okay, good job. What about this? Okay, he's from Mexico. Okay, what is he doing? She's, okay, good job. He's riding a bike. What is he doing? He's riding a bike. Okay, next. Where is, this one. Where is he or she? Yeah, where is she from? She's from, not Korea. She's from, good job. She's from China. Okay, what is she doing? She's playing chess. Well done. Alright, the last one. Where is, this one, this person. Where is he from? Okay, he's from, not Korea. Okay, what flag is this? He's from Brazil. Okay, what is he doing? He's playing football. Well done. Okay, now let us look at this email. Can you read together with me? Okay. Hi, my name's Kumar and I'm 10 years old. I'm from Malaysia and I live in Malacca. I've got a brother. His name is Rama. Have you got any brothers or sisters? In this picture, I'm playing football. Football is my favorite sport. What's your favorite sport? Please write back soon. Bye for now, Kumar. Okay. In this email, there are lots of information about Kumar. Can you please fill in the blanks with Kumar's information? Okay, the exercise is also in page 11. Okay, I want you to do this after this. Okay, alright. Name, nama, age. How old is he? Okay, he's from. Where is he from? Okay, alright. He lives in. Dia tinggal kat mana? Alright, family. How many siblings he has? Okay, alright. He likes. How many siblings he likes? He has, and what is the name of his sibling? Okay, alright. He likes. What does he love? What does he like? What is his hobby? Alright. Fill in these blanks. Okay. Alright. I want you to copy this down in your exercise book afterwards. Okay. Now it's your turn. After you have filled in the blanks with information, I want you to write your own email. Can you do that? Okay. Now, let's look at the example. Okay, I have given you a template. Template ni macam contoh lah. Okay, awak boleh gunakan template ni. Nanti awak tiru template ni dalam buku tulis awak. Okay, it must have 2 boxes on top of your email. To and from. To ni maksudnya kepada. Kepada tu awak tulislah alamat email. Alamat email kawan awak. Okay, alright. Siapa-siapa pun boleh. It can be anyone. Okay, from yourself. Awak punya alamat email. Awak ada alamat email 5 kan? Okay, awak isikan. For example, aidajebat@gmail.com. Okay. Right, now this one. Fill in the blanks with your information. Isikan maklumat ni dengan maklumat awak. Okay. And then, bila awak dah isikan ini, okay, awak salin dalam your exercise book. English 1. Okay. So, you will have a complete email. Simple email. Okay. Sebelah email, next to the email, you put a picture of yourself. Letakkan gambar awak kat tepi. Okay. Can you do that? Okay. Let me repeat the exercise. Please copy down the format. Awak salin format ni dekat dalam English 1 awak. And then fill in the blanks with your information. Okay, kalau awak ada lebih daripada seorang adik-beradik, I've got how many siblings? Okay, kalau seorang, his or her name. Kalau lebih dari seorang, their names. Okay, nama mereka adalah, okay, kalau seorang, his, her name is. Kalau ramai, their names are. Okay, letaklah Abu Minah Tipah dolah. Okay, alright. Have you, okay, salin balik. And then, awak isi tempat kosong. Okay. Simple, right? Okay, I hope you can do that. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you everyone for listening. See you soon. Bye.